Today's video, I'm going to show you 8 highest paying jobs in 2021. So if you like this type of content and want to see more, just hit that big fat thumbs up button so that I get motivated to make more such videos. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press that bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get straight into this. Having a job or career makes you feel good. Knowing you can do something well and earn money for your skills is a great feeling, right? Firstly, now we'll be talking about data scientist. Data science is a scientific approach to handle data and make the most out of it to drive a business. Now, from handling data to make the most out of it comes the real heroic deal to manifest in the world of crooked and prodigious data. With a fair amount of experience, you can make up to $800,000. It is estimated by the year 2025, 463 exabytes of data will be created daily, and we create new data every millisecond. We make 40,000 search queries on Google each second, which amounts to 1.2 trillion searches per year. How crazy is this? Data coming into any field or business is now no more just data, it's big data. Data is truly the game changer to have produced this entirely new field of data science. The most interesting fact about this is that you do not need to be a tax savvy or hold a PhD to earn. You just need great communication skills and need to understand programming languages like Python, R, and Java, and need to understand some machine learning and deep learning concepts. Secondly, it's a product manager. A product manager is the person who identifies the customer's need and the larger business objectives that a product or a feature will fulfill, articulates what success looks like for a product, and rallies a team to turn that vision into a reality. An entry-level product manager's salary in 2021 stands at $86,000. This role leads the development and the growth strategy for a product, including driving vision and innovation, producing roadmaps, prioritizing initiatives, and helping articulate features and benefits to the market. The skills needed are self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, technical skills. In addition, don't miss this opportunity because Google requires product managers to pass a technical skills test regardless of what product they'll work on. So I'll suggest you don't forget to miss this opportunity and apply for this Google opportunity. Third is digital marketing. Digital marketing is the act of promoting and selling products and services by leveraging online marketing tactics such as social media marketing, search marketing, and email marketing. Digital marketing should be one of the primary focuses of almost any business's overall marketing strategy. This is something which anyone can opt for because you just have to do the marketing which is done digitally. The average salary of a digital marketer is $56,722. This is just an average salary. Just imagine how much salary they earn. Fourth one is the cloud architect. A cloud architect is responsible for designing and implementing cloud computing solutions. This includes designing the cloud infrastructure, designing the cloud application architecture, and designing the cloud security architecture. The average annual salary of being a cloud architect is $175,761. This is just an average annual salary. This is also incredible field. Now, if you want to be a cloud architect, you need a strong background in cloud computing or a similar technical area. You should also have a good knowledge of at least one operating system and a basic understanding of networking, security, and computer programming languages. You also need to know some cloud computing technologies like AWS, Azure, and GCP. Now, the fifth one is AI, that is artificial intelligence. It's when machines can learn and make decisions similarly to humans. AI has been deployed to enhance our lives as well as which involves consciousness and emotionality. The skills required are programming skills, linear algebra, probability, statistics, communication, problem solving skills. These are something which you need to learn. You should have a background of this so that you can become an AI. The AI engineer's salary is $114,000. AI technology is important because it enables human capabilities, understanding, reasoning, planning, communication, perception to be taken by software increasingly and effectively and also at a low cost. Now, the sixth one is the healthcare sector. A good healthcare system is important to reduce the burden on families and contribute to a national growth. According to OECD Observer, a good healthcare system ensures a strong economy. In fact, their studies showed that a mere 10% increase in life expectancy ensures an economic growth of around 0.4% per year. The highest paying jobs in the healthcare industry is of physician and surgeon. The median pay for physicians and surgeon is $208,000 per year, which means this averages out to $100 per hour. Now, the seventh one is the blockchain developer. A blockchain developer researches, designs, develops, and tests blockchain technologies. They build infrastructure and set up security measures to protect against cyber attacks and help to optimize blockchain protocols. Blockchain developers build decentralized apps and supervise the entire network. Blockchain developers can have an experience with a specific type of blockchain like Ethereum or Bitcoin. A blockchain developer with just a few years of experience can earn nearly $170,000, which is also a big amount because it's just for freshers. So imagine if you become an advanced, you can earn very well. The last and the least is a full stack developer. A full stack developer works with both the front and the back ends of a website. To become a full stack developer, you must know HTML and CSS. You should also be proficient in JavaScript and its frameworks. You need to be familiar with server-side languages like Ruby, PHP, Python, and .NET. The average salary of a full stack developer is $226,000. So, here I complete, and these were the 8 highest paying jobs in 2021. If you like this video, hit that big fat thumbs up button. Bye. See you soon.